Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube program. This is KG. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Today what we have here, we're working on this 2013 is a Toyota Camry. I'm going to be replacing the passenger side axle, the long one. So I'm going to bring you guys along how to do this job. Please, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing, supporting your boy. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We getting it right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is going to break this guy loose, which is a 30. Break that loose, and then I just bought this guy not too long. Hercules. Looks really good. It's working so far. There we go. Get it out easily. Push this guy. Make sure that guy is free now. If you look at the axle, it's already worn already. You know. So now I'm gonna turn this guy. I want to make it easy for myself. I might have to go a little route to do this job, but at the end of it, I want to make it easy for me. So I'm going to take off the tie rod end and probably take off this right here so we can yank it aside there, and then go ahead and make it, like I said, I want to make it easy for myself. So when you're walking on this, when you're walking on the lift, it's more easier to do this. But me, you guys know I walk on the streets. I'm a street guy, so I want to make it easy for myself. So I might lose a couple of things. Make sure we don't break anything, and the possible way I can go ahead and do it, I'm gonna do that one. So I'm gonna come here now and lose this tie rod in. Bring the camera. Alright, you might not see what I did here, but I lose this tie rod end. Is a 17 right here. I'll take that out and put that nut back there. I just want to have the ability to be able to turn this guy up and down. So I'm going to come right here and take off this. This is the reason why we're changing the axle anyway. Let me show you guys. If you look down there, see the bolt? Yeah, so bolt is broken there, see? Once that happens, then the grease will start spilling out. So before it causes a problem and damage, you want to make sure you get that out of it. So that's it. So let me face the camera properly again. Let's see. So I want to lose the 17 here now on the back here. Long 17. Okay. Take that off. Put that aside. The 17 bolt. Put that aside. So we're gonna come right here and tie up this guy right up here. I'm gonna pull this guy here. Take out this tie this guy up here. This guy like this. If I can wrap it up really good, we'll do it like this. I don't know which one will be better, but it don't look like I'm succeeding here. It don't look like KG is winning on this one. Let's see. Let's see. We'll take this like this. Alright, so we can stretch it now. I have energy left here to do it. Anyway, we got it in there, so we're going to take this guy off from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lose this guy right here so we can yank out this axle just gonna know I don't want to lose the bottom. Go ahead and list right here. In the meantime, try to pull up this. Go ahead and lose this guy. The 22. Move the camera, sorry. I'm moving the camera around. Please bear with me on this time. I'll make you guys see what I'm doing. There's a 22 right there. There's one 22 now. Alright. Put that 22 there. Something have a 22 here. Alright, take that out. Right here. Take that out. Okay. So we go ahead and hit this guy now. Take that guy out. Go ahead and knock this guy. This guy's gonna fall down by the time we do that. Take this guy out. Okay, now. Let's see, come down now. Push this guy aside. Let's see. So let me go ahead and take off this. Let me lose this ABS so I don't have stress on it or break anything. I'll go ahead and lose that thing behind. So I went ahead and lose the ABS so I can free it. I don't want to put stress on this guy right here. So now, see the axle is free now. And let this guy. I just want to get that guy out. Let me turn the camera up here now. Alright, so we want to bring out this guy. So we're going to leave this boy hanging in there. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to go underneath there. I'm going to bring the camera this way. You guys can be able to see. So the next thing I'm going to do there, I'm going to go underneath here. See where my hand is? I'm going to lose those 3 bolts there. Then we're going to yank out the whole thing. Take off that pin from there. We yank out the whole thing. It's going to come out completely. Alright, KG. Alright, so as you can see now, I took out this I took out the pin right here. You have to take out that pin. So I'm going to lose this 314 both because we're going to take off this whole thing out so we can knock the axle out of there. So I'm going to go underneath there. I'm going to go underneath there to take out that. I'm going to take off this 14. There's one right here at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys can see that. With the camera, I don't allow you to see. We gotta bring out this whole thing. Let's lock the first one. I see right there. There's one up here. My hand can get to it. Look like that socket is too big there. So I might have to use my small socket. Okay, I got this one. This one. So I got 2. I got 2 already. Let's take out this. My hand is not blocking it. Look at that. Okay, so that's one of the bolts. So that one right here. We're gonna lose this guy too. So this guy was it. Okay. We're gonna lose this guy right here. Okay, leave that one right there. So let me take out this bottom one. I'm gonna get like a 14 or short socket for this one right here. See, there's no way. I'm gonna have to use a flat for that. See, this guy go in there, but it's not sitting well. Let's see, maybe I might be able to break it loose. Okay, I got it. Please bear with me. I'm covering the video. That's what I was trying to get to. Alright, so we're able to use our hands to really have a little soft. And that's the one right there. So mind you, everything has to come out. In the Toyota Sienna or RAV4, you will get. Okay, so now I can put something on here. Try that boy out. Okay, I still need a little bit of knock in there. Yes, sir. The light kind of bust out there. Okay, so we got it out. So that's a good thing. There is nothing dripping also. I hope you were able to see it. So we got a guy. Okay, we're bringing it to complete. Like I said. Okay. Be a little breaking and shaking here for it to come out. I went into the something here. Okay, we got a boy out now. That. So we're going to knock this guy through this side. And come on the other side. So, you ready? Just like that. He's out. So, we'll leave it like that. So we don't miss the side. Then we'll take off this clip. We're going to need this guy back. We're going to use this guy. That's the guy that clips that's the key. So now we bring it, well, we'll leave that alone. That's kind of the same. So I'll bring that boy. So the passenger side on every car is always longer than the driver's side. This is the long one. We're gonna do the Toyota Sienna. It's not gonna be easy like that, trust me. That I don't even want to do that now. Do it right here. I'm walking outside. It's very difficult to do that. Okay, so we have the same thing. So what we're gonna do is the same way. We put this guy back in here, just like that. I'll bring this guy in here like this. All right, just wanted to point out something before I move further. You guys remember I put this bracket on when I was I put this bracket on when I put back the axle on the ground there. But apparently, if you're gonna put it back in there, you might have a problem. So I have to take off the bracket completely and put the bracket first, because I was having a problem putting the axle in there. So it's better you put that bracket in there first, because I was having a problem. The axle couldn't go in the way I wanted, so I have to take it up and put it like this. Just like this now, we'll be able to go in nice and easy. Because this bracket here, it has a key to the engine. So the something wasn't sitting properly the way I wanted. No, the axle went in, but that something couldn't line up there. So I have to take it back out. So this is the best way to put it in. So I just wanted to point that out. If you're doing it, make sure that bracket is out completely. Now you put the bracket first. You see now, it goes in nice and easy. Just need to tap it a little bit. Yeah, let me go ahead and tap the axle right there, and we should be fine from there. Yeah, we can tap the axle now. See that? So that's the right way to do it, because you can be able to yank it out, everything comes out, but to put it back in, it's better that you put that bracket in there first. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, my phone is gonna die, like I was explaining, so I'll come back and wrap up this. So my camera is dying, so I'm just gonna put this axle and then we'll see you on the other side. Like I said, the explanation I gave, I know that will be able to help you really good. So I'm just gonna put this axle now, and then we'll tie this guy up. I'll see it right there. So we're gonna tie this guy up right there, then we'll see you on the other side. KG. Yeah, this is KG. I hope you learned something today. My camera gave up on me, so I couldn't shoot what I needed to, shoot the whole video, but I believe you saw when I brought it out. So the same way you take it out is the same way you put it back in. But I showed you exactly what I did over there. When you take it out, when you want to put it back in, make sure you put that bracket in first. Just because it comes out like that, it's going to be difficult for you to put it back in. So I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Like you always say, KG, I will see you on my next video. God bless you really good. See you. Booyah. Peace. I am out.